Welcome back, all you wonderful people, and blah blah blah. Subscribe if you want to. Today we're going to take a look at this beauty. Yeah, this beauty that we just picked up last night. No, I was not the one that put it down, and I did not ask him if he wanted to be recognized on an international platform. So we will keep him, keep his privacy private. But yeah, but shout out to him. You know who you are for making this video possible. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys. So here we have 2008 Honda CBR600RR, or what is left of it. Mostly front end damage. Yeah, we need some pedals and some cables and some rear sets. Brake system needs redone. But this is a bike I've always wanted to get a hold of, but being cheap, not a bike that I would have went out and bought. So what's a cheapo get when they finally get a CBR? They get half a bike. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. So we'll be making some videos on this guy. And no, I was not the one that wrecked it. However, loading on a trailer did not disappoint. I got some brush burns there. Sorry if I go upside down here. I did kind of take out my knee here. Yeah. Ripped my shorts. But anyway, another note. If you're gonna go ahead and try to load something like this on a trailer, do me a favor. Have a bunch of your strong buddies help you out. And don't put it on your wife and say, hey, we're gonna go pick up a bike, you need to help load it, because that's not nice. Now I think I owe her. So there you go. That's pretty much a story on the Honda CBR600RR at this time. Also this weekend, let's go over here, we picked up this beauty, or again, what's left of her. This one actually was running like a month ago. But this is what's left and what I was able to snag. This is an 84 Honda Goldwing GL 1200 Interstate. I'm not sure I have the Interstate parts anymore, so maybe it's just a Goldwing now. But I guess this one was leaking head gasket, leaking from the head gasket. But I want to do a video on this. You're probably thinking, what do I have to talk about, since like none of it's here? But honestly, I think the beauty lies underneath all the fairings. The bodywork and the fairing, that does what the bike is meant to do. That gets you around comfortably, and you can store your luggage and everything. But I think the real beauty, to me anyway, and if you're like me, maybe you respect what I'm seeing here. I mean, yeah guys, check out this engine. Check that out. Check out that engine. This is a Boxer flat engine that they used on the Goldwings. And I know BMW used them. If you're looking at cars, basically the only ones using them are Subaru and Porsche anymore. And I know, it gives you a real low center of gravity, very low vibrations. And yeah, you can just fit it in there. I mean, this is a very different engine than anything I have worked on before. But I just like how beefy these tires and wheels are. But anyway, we'll get into that later in another video. So come back for more. The other thing right now we are working on, try not to make you dizzy here, the Honda Shadow is just about ready to go. The Shadow, I need to clean out the rust in the secondary tank. We already did the electrical system and the first tank, but I was putting it back together and realized I really should do the second tank. So that's what we got for today. and then the Shadow should be on the road or ready for sale or whatever we're going to do with it. So that's your update. Obviously we have parts and bikes and everything to continue on, so I will see you in the next one. Like I said, subscribe if you want to, and we'll enjoy having you around. Hopefully this thing, well, I'll show you as we go. Hopefully we make some progress on it, or at least get the broken parts off and see what needs replaced. All right, have a good one. Bye.